In today's video, how to add Instagram highlights from your camera roll on an Instagram app on a mobile device. Go to profile page by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right corner, then tap on plus button at the top right and select story from the options. Alternatively, from home screen, swipe right to open camera and then tap on bottom left corner to open camera roll. Browse through your camera roll and select photos or videos you want to add to your Instagram highlight. If you want to add multiple items, tap on select button in the top right corner and choose desired photos or videos. After selecting, tap on button in the bottom right corner to proceed. Customize your story by adding text, stickers, or any other effects as desired. Once you are satisfied with your story, tap on your story at the bottom to share it. Wait for a moment to ensure your story is fully uploaded. This may take few seconds depending on your internet connection. After story is uploaded, go back to your profile by tapping on bottom right corner. Below the Edit Profile and Share Profile buttons, you will see your highlight section. You can either add to an existing highlight or create a new one. If you want to add new story to existing highlight, press and hold highlight and select Edit Highlight. Choose Recently Edit Story and save changes. To create highlight, tap on plus button next to your existing highlights and select stories you want to add to this new highlight. Tap on Next in the top right corner and edit cover image by tapping on Edit Cover. Enter the name of your new highlight and then press Add.